Yes, David. Tell the viewers again the difference between the strong and weak people.
Have you ever noticed how two people can look at the same situation yet see completely different things? It all comes down to focus. Weak people focus on other people's mistakes just to laugh or feel better about themselves. But strong people notice those same mistakes and use them as lessons to grow. Weak people talk about other people's problems to gossip, but strong people talk about those problems to learn, improve, and become better. Weak people build fake connections by tearing others down, but strong people build real relationships by being honest, open, and vulnerable. Weak people envy those who are ahead, but strong people study them, learn from them, and use that knowledge to rise higher. And here's the truth. No one is born weak or strong. It's simply about what you choose to focus on each day. So ask yourself, what am I focusing on? Because the moment you shift your focus, you shift your life.